Hello and welcome to part 5 of a series of tutorial videos introducing you to the Share and Activity Builder functionality. In part 4 we covered how the radio buttons exercise works, and now we're going to look at the checkbox exercise. So let's click on creating a new screen, and now let's click on the checkbox slide. So the checkboxes work very similarly to the radio buttons exercise, but where the radio buttons exercise looks for one specific answer out of multiple choice, you can use the checkbox exercise to look for multiple correct answers out of multiple choice. So for example, when I go to click to enter text here, I might want to ask the question, which 3 instruments made up the front line for this piece of music? So there you go. I've asked my question, and what I'm looking for here is 3 instruments. So I'm going to bold that and underline that so that the students are aware that they are looking for 3 answers. So I'm now going to put in my choices. So I'm going to put in 6 different instruments. 3 of them are correct, 3 of them are going to be incorrect. Okay, and let's add the other 3 choices here. Two more. And the last one. So what you need to ensure as well now, like with the radio buttons where you have to put the radio button next to where the correct answer is, like we did here with trumpet, what we need to do here is make sure that the checkboxes are ticked next to where the correct answers are. So let's say it was those 3 and not the other 3. Again, once I've done that, I'm then going to choose how many marks are going to be awarded. I'm going to keep the randomise answers option ticked again so that they all appear in different orders each time that the student logs in and does this activity. And you can either ask the student to have all 3 answers correct in order to gain 1, 2 or 3 marks, whatever way you want to do it. Or if you leave it at 1 mark, you can award marks for each correctly answered choice. So I'm going to tick on that. Because there are 6 options in total, there's going to be 6 marks available for this particular question, but obviously each of the correct answers are going to be worth 2 marks each. So let's preview that and let's see what that looks like. So let's click on preview. Let's skip through to that particular screen, and here we go. So I can now choose which ones are the correct answers or not. And we can just also decide if we want to do them any differently. So again, that is how the checkbox exercise works. In the next video, we're going to show you the 2 different ways, or the 2 most common ways, that a drag and drop exercise, which is this screen here, can be used.